If you keep getting annoying Captcha checks in Google Chrome, this video is going to help you reduce them fast and safely. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove or minimize Captcha prompts by changing a few Chrome settings, clearing your browser data, and refreshing your internet connection. These steps can help Chrome trust your browsing session more easily, especially if you've been seeing repeated verification screens. If this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and go to the top right corner of the browser. Click the three vertical dots to open the menu, then select Settings. This is where Chrome keeps all of its privacy and security controls. On the left-hand side, click Privacy and Security, then choose Site Settings. Site Settings controls permissions and content behavior for websites, and this is where we need to look for the option that affects verification prompts. Now scroll down until you see Additional Content Settings. Click that section and look for Auto Verify. If you find it, toggle Auto Verify on. This can help Chrome and supported sites handle verification more smoothly, which may reduce the number of Captcha challenges you see while browsing. Once that's done, the next thing to check is your VPN. If you're using one, turn it off temporarily. VPNs can sometimes trigger extra security checks because websites may see your traffic coming from shared or suspicious-looking IP addresses. Disabling the VPN often gives you a more normal browsing signal and can reduce repeated Captcha requests. After that, let's refresh your internet connection. Unplug your Wi-Fi router for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for the connection to fully restart. In many cases, your internet provider will assign you a new IP address when the router reconnects. That fresh IP can help if your current one has been flagged by websites for too many requests or unusual activity. Now, the final step is clearing your browser cache and cookies. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. When the Clear Browsing Data window appears, set the time range to All Time. Then check cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. After that, click Delete Data. This removes stored browser data that may be causing websites to keep asking you to verify yourself again and again. Once everything is cleared, close Chrome completely and reopen it. Then browse normally and see if the Captcha prompts are reduced. In many cases, these steps make a big difference because they remove the common causes behind repeated verification checks. To recap, you adjusted Chrome site settings, enabled Auto Verify, turned off your VPN, refreshed your router connection, and cleared cache and cookies. If you want more easy fixes like this, make sure to subscribe. And if this video helped you out, hit the like button so more people can find it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.